So today was supposed to be clear skies and sunny. Yeah, what's crazy is it would be. Up here in northeast Massachusetts this morning, I awoke to hazy skies. And it turns out this is all smoke from Canadian wildfires. Hi, on your left. Hi. I mean, you can kind of smell it. Excuse me. Thank you. I'm good. I'm good.
Move over to the side. Sorry.
That's okay. No worries. Hi there. Thank you. Bye-bye. That was cute. I was about to say I wasn't expecting too many people on the trail, given the fact that there's all this smoke around. It's not thick. It's not like I don't feel like getting in my lungs or anything, but you can smell it. Even the lights are on in this tunnel, which wouldn't be on this time of the day. It really feels like I'm just going for a ride. It's sundown. Maybe the sun just went down and it's an evening ride, but it's quite the opposite. Hi. There's a lot more people on that section than I thought. This is really the only section on my regular ride where I have to deal with a little bit of traffic. You want to get all the way over here and up. There's the bike lane on that side. If anybody local wanted to try this trail that's never been on it, this is a good spot to start. This is Rabbit Road, and there's a place to park your car on the left over there, and you can just get right on the trail here. Probably the easiest way to get on this. When this trail comes to the end, you can either take a right and head to Newburyport or left and head to Salisbury, or both. This is the only dirt section, the marsh trail that goes to Salisbury and Newburyport is key. The smoke has one good thing going for it. It's definitely lowered the temperature. Today was supposed to be super hot. And right now I'm quite comfortable. I really wish this dirt section was much longer, but I love riding this part. And they maintain it pretty well. I mean, last year they did some flattening out and covering up of holes, and it's much better than it was. It was great to begin with, but it's even better now. This is called the Ghost Trail, by the way. I'm sure I've mentioned it before if you've seen any other of my videos. Apparently it's called that because back when it was a railway line, the cargo that the trains would take, for some reason, were in these white sheets that looked like ghosts from a distance, apparently. Hence the Ghost Trail. It's not haunted. And on a weekday, early in the morning on a day like this is one serene ride. Again, I just wish this part was longer. Hi. Sorry. That's okay. Hi there, girls. Hi, dog. They didn't want to say hi to me. And that is the end of the Ghost Trail. You just got across this little bumpy bridge. And then you, like I said, you can make a right, go to Newburyport, left, go to Salisbury. I'm going to be doing both today. Still got some damp sections. We had a thunderstorm last night, not a big one, but ordinarily it would have been dried up by now if it weren't for the smoke. I'm not even sure how long it's supposed to linger before it moves on. It's a few hours or a couple days. I have to look into it. Hi. It looks like it's getting a little brighter. This is as bright as it's gotten since I started. That's for sure. So this is where the northern side of the Marsh Trail ends. But you can take a right and take a small little trail through the woods there. It'll take you up to a road, which would then take you down to Salisbury Beach, if you so chose to go that way. But I'm just going to go turn around and head to Newburyport. On your left.
One day.
Hi. Those huskies were just beautiful. But now I'm almost back to where I came off the ghost trail. From there I head south. And there is a, a tiny bit of road before I hit the rest of the trail again. It's coming right up. Hi. And here's the little stretch of road. On your left. And this is where the Newburyport side of the trail ends, although you can go down that way and across the bridge right into Newburyport. But it's not a trail anymore. You'll get a good look at the skies from this vantage point up here. It looks like there's a hell of a thunderstorm, rainstorm coming from that direction, but it's not. It's a little brighter this way. Well, that's it. I just got to head home to one of those hills back over in the distance. Hope you enjoyed my wildfire ride.